Chapter 9. Life in the Palace. Gimbella takes me to see the palace. The king has 600 horses. They're very big. The horses are magnificent, I say. The king and queen are very nice to me. Their servants make a small house for me. It has 2 windows and a door. There's a black table with 2 chairs, a cupboard, and a comfortable bed. There's a small plate, cup, and bowl in the cupboard. The servants make clothes for me from mouse skins. I'm very comfortable in my new home, but I have a problem. The queen's dwarf hates me. The queen's dwarf is very tall. He hates me because I'm the queen's favorite. One day, he put some insects in my house. He wants to scare me. They're very big. I kill 4 insects with my knife. The other insects fly out of my house. When the queen hears about this, she's very angry. "Leave the palace," she tells the dwarf. The dwarf leaves, but there are other dangers in the palace. One day, a dog takes me in its mouth and runs to hide. Fortunately, the dog doesn't hurt me. Gimbella is very scared and tries to find me everywhere. Finally, she finds me in the dog's mouth.